Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. For those of you who don't know, my name is Ashley Irizarry Diaz. In this video, it's going to be a little bit different from the last couple of videos that I've shown you so far. We ended up doing a leftovers dinner this Saturday. We had a lot of food left in the fridge, so we wanted to eat that up before we went grocery shopping in a couple of days. So you're going to see me cooking some Thai recipes here that we had from the night before. So they ended up being really tasty. I made some summer rolls with beef instead of the traditional vegetable summer rolls. In Thai they call it loy suan, with a really yummy sweet spicy dipping sauce. And then you're also going to see a chicken marinade that I did with a coconut, pepper, garlic, soy sauce, sugar marinade that tastes really good as well. And that also is eaten with a Thai chili sauce as well. And if you stay tuned all the way to the end of the video, you will see a specialty drink that I make. It's delicious. Some of you guys might know what it is, but if you wait till the end, you'll see. And I can definitely make a video on that recipe as well. So I hope you like this video. It's a little bit different from my last videos I've done, but I thought I'd just share it with you anyways. So hope you enjoy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, so on this day I actually had my dishes on the counter still, so I needed to go ahead and dry these. They're already washed. I'm just going to go ahead and dry them and put them away so I have more counter space. I don't know about any of you, but I really can't stand when dishes are on the counter, so after we wash them I always have to dry them and put them away. I just like an open, clean countertop. Comment below if you guys are the same, if you have to clean your dishes and put them away right away. Okay, so first we're going to work on the summer roll. So here I'm going to cut the baby carrots into little slices, into small pieces, and this is going to go into the frying pan that we're going to mix with some ground beef later. Okay, once you have your carrots diced into small pieces, go ahead and throw it into the frying pan that's on medium heat right now. So the night before I had already prepared the meat that's going into the summer rolls. So here you're going to see me just taking out the leftovers that we had from the night before. There's a few carrots that were still in the beef from when we had it the evening before, but I wanted to add some more carrots. So here you're going to see me adding the ground beef that was already cooked with the new carrots. And then just stir this around. We're basically heating up the beef and we want the carrots to get a little tender. So this will only probably take about 5 minutes. Okay, the ingredients you're going to need for the summer roll are lettuce, basil. We actually usually use cilantro, but I didn't have any cilantro left over, so we went ahead and used basil from outside. Then you're gonna need these rice paper wraps. This is the brand that I like to get. They're really easy to work with, and this is the size I like to get. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is have a plate ready on the side that has some warm water. You're going to go ahead and grab a piece of the rice paper and let that sit in the warm water for about 10 seconds. It doesn't take that long, it just needs to absorb some water, and as it sits in the water it's going to soften. And then lay it out on a flat surface. Next, we're going to grab some lettuce and put that in the middle of the wrap. Then grab a couple scoops of the beef that we made earlier and put that on top of the lettuce. I'm going to do my best to show you how to wrap these. They can be a little bit tricky if you have too much vegetables or too much meat. So just grab one end of the rice paper and start to tuck it in as you roll. If it breaks like it did here, just continue rolling it. Then you're going to grab the sides and fold each over kind of like a burrito so that the ends can close and stay locked in, and then continue to roll and tuck till you're at the end of the summer roll. And there you have it. There is our first summer roll. I absolutely love summer rolls. You can make them with shrimp, you can make them with tofu, with just vegetables. A lot of popular vegetables are lettuce. You could use cabbage, bean sprouts, carrots, cucumbers. You could even put some rice noodles in there. It really is up to you. You can make any ingredients, put any ingredients that you want inside, and it will taste delicious. And another way to switch it up is putting in like different dressings. You'll see the dressing that I'm using here with this type of summer roll, but honestly, they're so easy to make. They're super healthy. I mean, they're really easy to make. I like to prepare whatever I have inside like in the beginning of the week, so that throughout the week all I have to do is grab all of the ingredients and then just start rolling them, and there I have summer rolls for lunch or for dinner or for a snack. I could seriously eat these every day. They're super good. So I'm just going to start rolling these. We're going to have this for dinner, so I do need to make enough for me and my husband because he also enjoys these too. So I'm probably going to make at least 5 each because we do both really like these summer rolls. Okay, so I finished making all of the summer rolls. Here's the finished product. They look so good. I want to eat them right now. Like I mentioned earlier, this has a sweet chili dipping sauce. The sauce is cilantro, lemons or limes, garlic, and chili, and sugar as well. And then you can just eat it with the dipping sauce. Going to heat up the chicken that we had left over from the night before. This marinade is a little bit of salty, a little bit of sweet. It has some like garlic and pepper, coconut milk, some sugar, and then I baked it and then broiled it so that the top could get nice and crispy. So we enjoyed this as well with our summer rolls. Next, we're going to make the dipping sauce for the chicken. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of garlic, half a tablespoon of dried chili, 1 tablespoon of chili paste in the soybean sauce, and juice from half of a lime. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then mix that up nicely so everything is evenly mixed up. It's going to be a little bit of a sweet and sour taste. We're going to add some texture here in just a second. Some chives, about 2 tablespoons. Again, mix that up. It's going to be a little bit of a thicker consistency, which is good because we want this to be like a dipping sauce for the chicken. And there you go. Now I'm going to be making Thailand's most popular Thai drink, and that is Thai iced tea. If you guys would like a full video on how to make authentic Thai iced tea, please comment below Thai iced tea recipe and I'd be glad to make a video on that for you. This is the best drink ever. If you haven't had it, you really have to try it. Go, our leftovers meal. Leftovers are definitely a favorite in our household. It just tastes a lot better the next day, right? Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. It'll be here on the bottom right hand corner, or you can click the link below in the description box. But again, please give it a thumbs up if you want more cooking with me videos. Also, I will be uploading more cooking, home decor, lifestyle videos, so please be sure to click the notification bell so you will know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm Ashley Irizarry Diaz, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!